Future Pulse. AI in 2026. The 5 breakthroughs that will change everything title. 5 AI breakthroughs in 2026 that will replace millions of jobs. Nvidia just crossed $5.6 trillion. Market cap. AI is writing code, creating art, diagnosing diseases, and driving cars. But here's the question nobody's asking. What happens to your job? Welcome to Future Pulse. If you've been watching the news, you know AI is everywhere. But what most media won't tell you is which specific breakthroughs will actually impact your life. In 2026, we've reached an inflection point. Not because AI is woke or conscious, but because it's become cheap enough and good enough to replace entire job categories. I've analyzed the data. I've spoken to developers, researchers, and CEOs. Here are the 5 AI breakthroughs that will reshape the global economy. Breakthrough 1. Autonomous coding agents. Tools like Claude Code, Cursor, and GitHub Copilot can now build complete applications from a single prompt. This isn't autocomplete anymore. It's full-stack development in minutes. What this means: junior developers, QA testers, and basic front-end engineers will see massive disruption. But senior architects who can direct these AI agents, they'll be more valuable than ever. Breakthrough 2. AI video generation. Tools like Sora, VO 3.1, and open-source alternatives can now create photorealistic video from text. The YouTube, film, and advertising industries will never be the same. This is actually good news for creators. The cost of video production just dropped from $10,000 per minute to essentially zero. The winners will be those who can tell compelling stories, not those who can afford expensive equipment. Breakthrough 3. AI in healthcare. Google's DeepMind just solved protein folding for every known protein. Drug discovery that used to take 10 years now takes months. Breakthrough 4. Physical AI. Self-driving cars, warehouse robots, and delivery drones are no longer experimental. They're commercial. Breakthrough 5.